Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. I've had a question from Debbie in Guildford about our 200mm precision siphon pump, the S1496. She's having trouble after using it, taking it back apart. So I'm just going to run through quickly and show you how it all works. In the box of the 200mm precision siphon pump, you get the siphon pump, an 8mm diameter hose and a 6mm diameter hose. The way that you put it in is you press the 8mm in first. That will then lock into place, and then if it's a smaller hole that you need to go into, you just press the 6mm one into the end, like so. So this is ideal for accurate dispensing of a wide range of oils and liquids. It's ideal for topping up engines, gearboxes and cooling systems. But Debbie's question was, how do I remove the tubes? Well, the 6mm is quite easy, that will just pull out. But the 8mm, you have to push down either side on the white ring and then just pull, and then it will come out. Let's go and see it on the car. In my screen wash, I've just added 1 litre of water. This screen wash is 1 in 4, so I'll need about 250ml of water of screen wash. Which goes directly inside it, and I've got the exact measure that I need. This can also be used on engine oil, brake fluid, gearbox oil. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com, and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.